Hello all, you all are welcome in the channel Mr.I.C. Some days ago, I have got a comment from one of the viewer and she wants to know how to repair the earphone with mic. And if you want your name in my next video, then do comment down below what would you like to watch in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. With all that said, let's roll to our intro. For this, you will obviously be needing a non-working earphone with a mic and a soldering iron. Firstly, cut the wire and expose the inner wires. All these wires have their own separate function. In my case, I have got 5 wires. If you will cut the other cables, you will find 4 wires. The function of these wires are different according to their color. To get better information about the colors, you can use the jack also. I have cut a jack in a way so that the wires are still on the soldering pads. According to the color, the red one should be for the right speaker and the green one should be for the left speaker and the blue is for the mic and this copper one is for the ground. But after looking at the jack, I have to change my opinion since these are the earphone which have came across with my cell phone. So some companies reverse the color and they have provided the blue one as not for the mic and it's provided for the left speaker and the red is for the mic. So if this type of arrangement came and then you have to observe your jack for this safety. There are two different type of aux male jack. The one is TRS and the other one is the TRRS. This stands for tip, ring, ring and sleeve. And the other one is just tip, ring and sleeve. For the mic, we will be needing TRRS, this kind of earphone jack. The function of TRRS is in front of you now. You can see there are 4 sections and each are divided like left, right and mic and ground. The top one is connected internally with the last one and it's for the left speaker. And the second one here is for the right speaker and it is connected with this. And below that there is another terminal which is internally connected with this one and it's a ground terminal, and then the last one is for the mic which is connected like this one only. Now I will be soldering the connections and will show you the earphone. After soldering all the wires to the jack, it looked like this. Right now it's delicate, so to avoid any breakage I will cover it with this. This is nothing but our hot glue which I will be covering over here. I will be showing the final product after a while. After an hour of drying it, I have painted it black and coat it with the transparent nail paint. The shining thing you see is the transparent nail paint. And now I will test the song and as you can see the earphone symbol is over there. And now I will play the song. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked the video and do try this type of repair. Thank you guys.